Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error codes in The Sims 4. A sudden error code can be frustrating, but many issues have straightforward solutions. Your first step should always be a full game and computer restart, as this clears temporary glitches and refreshes your system. After that, always check for any available game updates through your launcher. An out-of-date game often causes unexpected problems. This usually resolves simpler issues quickly. If a restart does not work, corrupted or missing game files might be the culprit. Fortunately, all Sims 4 game launchers, like the EA app or Origin, have a built-in repair tool. Simply right-click on the Sims 4 in your library and select Repair. This process scans and replaces any problematic files, typically taking anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes depending on your system, helping restore game stability. Custom content and mods are wonderful, but they are also a leading cause of error codes. If you use them, temporarily move your entire mods folder out of the game directory to your desktop. Then, launch The Sims 4. If the error disappears, you have found your problem. Reintroduce your mods in small batches, perhaps 5 to 10 at a time, to pinpoint the specific item causing the issue. For persistent issues, try clearing your game cache manually. This often resolves stubborn loading and display problems. If all else fails, a complete reinstallation of The Sims 4 might be necessary, ensuring a fresh start for your game files. Always confirm your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements, especially after updates. If you still face a specific error code, consult official game support forums for tailored advice and assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.